Okay, so I'm in my 2015 GMC Canyon and it is 13 degrees out right now. And I'm having problems with my radio or the sound, and also starting my car was pretty hard today. Last night it was 5 degrees and these issues have persisted into today. My radio still isn't working. And neither are the sounds for the blinkers or anything else. And also when I put it in reverse, it usually says service rear backup camera. Didn't do it that time, but there's usually a beep that comes with that. There was no beep there. Blinkers are on. No noise. Also the radio, you can see it it doesn't want to fully catch up with itself. It is slow. And also there's just no sound. There's mute, unmute, and it's fully turned up with no volume. GMC Canyon 2015, to less than 70,000 miles. What are we gonna do? 13 degrees. Let's see. Volume is all the way up. Not a sound. Blinker's still on. Still no sound. Alright, well, this is documentation for the dealership that this is consistently happening, and hopefully they'll replace this. We'll see what happens.